Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. I don't know one Saba same way. Respect to everyone who have view and subscribe to my channel same way. You don't know only heap of blessings same way. Today we are gonna feature a little freestyler, a valiant put out people. Me I tell them say that one here is the next eating up people. Me bumbo clad. Me say if I lie me I tell people. Make me know in the comment if I lie me I tell. If I fuck with me I talk. Make me know same way. You see me I say? Cause Valiant is a youth where meds him tune them in the people. You know that already, you know. You see me? Valiant just release fuck with music, you know. You see me I say? Valiant produce good song for him fans, you know. You get me I say? Yeah man, Valiant no ramp with road, but I tell you, yo, you charge you ever at work, man. You hear that? Just go and hold up your head, Valiant, same way. You see me I say? Go and do the right thing for the answer same way and put in the work. Cause you don't know. The new generation, them are artists and everybody are pretty straight, you know, people. Viewers and subscribers, and you know that. And not all of them are pretty straight, you see me? But for the ones that we are pretty straight, you don't know. We have to rock with them and support them on the journey. Same way, you see me I say? Yeah man. Big up to Valiant, same way. And he knew.
Tired dog. Yo, turn off camera, dog.
Work, man.
I'm just flying, dog.
Work.
Something to find something for already, man.
No.
Find something, man. Look at here. Look at here, man.
Sing like da da dee da. And in the man is one. Your mother stop us, cause you can't believe her. Raw chicken and neck, cause some jam it and spin it. Wrap it up the Jacob on his and know, so them boy is timid. Man have to fidget, my finger play the trigger.
As well, Mr. Viewers and subscribers, just leave it in the comment section. Tell me what you think about Valiant new freestyle. And tell me if you think this is another hit song. You see me? Leave it in the comment section. Please like and share.
Yeah, man, it's one.
A biggie that?
He make a mother buy cause it's gone very high.
Let the pussy get it.
Yo, I'm making life sing like da da dee da, yeah. The pussy take up badness and me can't manage why. Him gone.
You have reached the end. If you reach this far in the video, viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching. You don't know what over there wait for Valiant new song, you see me? Big freestyle him the same way. You see me? Big up Valiant all the time.